Here are 12 indicators that suggest you're doing well spiritually. Forgiveness. It is a vital aspect of spiritual well-being, signifying a profound capacity to release grudges and resentments. It is often said that forgiveness is not so much a gift to the other person, but a gift you give to yourself. This process involves letting go of the anger and bitterness tied to past hurts, not necessarily because the other person deserves forgiveness, but because you deserve peace. Forgiveness is a liberating act, freeing you from the heavy burden of negative emotions that can consume your thoughts and energy. It's about breaking the chains of anger and hurt that bind you to the past, allowing you to move forward with a lighter heart. This doesn't mean forgetting the hurt or condoning harmful actions. Rather, it's a conscious choice to release the hold that these negative feelings have on you. Generosity. In a spiritual context, generosity transcends mere acts of giving. It's the spontaneous flow of love and kindness from an open heart, an indication that you are not confined by the limited sense of self. When you give generously, be it time, resources, or love, without an expectation of return, it reflects a state of abundance and empathy. This selfless giving is not just about material charity, it's an expression of the understanding that we are all interconnected. Generosity in this sense is more than an act. It's a state of being, a way of relating to the world that recognizes the unity of all life. When you are generous, you not only help others, but you also cultivate your own spiritual growth, reinforcing a sense of connection and oneness with the world. Authenticity. It is about being true to yourself and living in alignment with your deepest values and beliefs. It's a journey of self-discovery and honesty, where you are not swayed by external pressures to conform or please others. When you're authentic, you live a life that is a true reflection of your inner self. This authenticity breeds a sense of integrity and congruence, where your actions, words, and thoughts are in harmony. This alignment brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose, as you are no longer living by someone else's script, but are authoring your own life story. Authenticity requires courage and self-reflection, as it often means going against the grain and honoring your unique path in life. Gratitude. It is much more than a polite thank you. It's an orientation towards life, a lens through which we choose to see the world. When you cultivate gratitude, you begin to notice and appreciate the small joys and blessings that life offers. The warmth of the sun, the smile of a stranger, the beauty of a flower, or even the simple act of breathing. This appreciation isn't confined to just the positive experiences. It also extends to challenges and setbacks, recognizing them as opportunities for growth and learning. Expressing gratitude regularly has a transformative effect on your mindset. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, from dissatisfaction to fulfillment. This shift fosters a sense of abundance and contentment, reducing feelings of envy or resentment. Gratitude encourages a positive loop in your interactions with the world. The more you appreciate your life, the more life gives you reasons to be grateful. Compassion. It's a deep empathy and kindness towards others, coupled with a desire to alleviate their suffering. Compassion goes beyond mere understanding or shared feelings. It involves an active response, a move towards alleviating or sharing the burdens of others. The roots of compassion lie in the recognition of the interconnectedness of all beings. It's the understanding that everyone, just like yourself, seeks happiness and wishes to avoid suffering. This realization breeds a sense of kinship and an intrinsic empathy for the joys and sorrows of others. Compassion isn't limited to those we know or love. It extends to strangers and even to those we may have conflicts with. It's an unconditional, universal kindness. When your heart is filled with compassion, you see the world through a lens of love and understanding. You're more patient, forgiving, and accepting. This doesn't mean you ignore the faults or wrongdoings of others, but rather that you approach these situations with a mindset of healing and support, rather than judgment or punishment. Acting on these compassionate feelings is what sets this quality apart. It's one thing to feel empathy. It's another to be moved to help. This might manifest in simple acts like offering a listening ear, providing support during tough times, or more significant actions like volunteering for a cause or helping those in need. Mindfulness. It is a key aspect of spiritual well-being, reflecting a profound connection with the present moment. To be mindful is to be acutely aware of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the environment around you without judgment or distraction. It's a state of being where your mind is not cluttered with extraneous thoughts or influenced by automatic reactions. You become an observer of your own life, witnessing each moment with clarity and serenity. This presence allows you to experience life more deeply, as you're not just passing through experiences, but truly living them. Mindfulness is often associated with meditation, but it extends far beyond the cushion. It can be practiced in every aspect of daily life, from eating to walking, from listening to someone to engaging in work. When you eat mindfully, you savor each bite, noticing the textures, flavors, and sensations. When you listen mindfully, you're fully present with the other person, not just hearing their words, but also understanding their emotions and intentions. Resilience. Resilience, in the context of spiritual well-being, is an invaluable quality that speaks to the strength and flexibility of the human spirit. It's the ability to bounce back from setbacks, not just to where you were before, but often to a place of greater understanding and wisdom. Resilience is not about avoiding difficulties or pretending they don't affect you. It's about facing them head-on, with a positive outlook, and viewing them as opportunities for growth. This quality is akin to a tree that bends in a storm but doesn't break. In the face of adversity, a resilient person remains steadfast, drawing upon inner resources to weather the challenges. What makes resilience a spiritual trait is the mindset with which challenges are approached, not as insurmountable obstacles, but as chances to learn, adapt, and evolve. This perspective transforms trials into valuable lessons, turning what could be sources of despair into sources of strength. Self-reflection. In your spiritual journey, self-reflection serves as a mirror to the soul. It involves engaging in introspection to understand your thoughts, feelings, and actions. This process of looking inward is not just about self-awareness. It's about self-discovery and personal growth. Self-reflection allows you to explore the depths of your being, uncovering motivations, desires, fears, and joys that shape your life. The practice of self-reflection is like having an ongoing conversation with yourself. It's a space where you can question your beliefs, examine your choices, and contemplate your life's direction. This isn't about self-criticism, but a gentle, honest inquiry into your inner world. By understanding why you think, feel, and act the way you do, you gain invaluable insights into your true nature. Acceptance. It's embodying a profound and compassionate embrace of oneself and others. It is the act of receiving every aspect of existence, including people, situations, and crucially oneself, without harsh judgments or criticism. This acceptance is not a passive resignation, but an active acknowledgement and embrace of reality as it is. Self-acceptance is particularly transformative. It involves embracing all parts of yourself, your strengths and weaknesses, your successes and failures, your virtues and flaws. This doesn't mean that you stop striving for improvement, but that you recognize and accept your current state as a valid and valuable part of your journey. When you accept yourself, you create a foundation of inner peace and self-compassion, which allows for genuine growth and self-improvement. It's a recognition that, while you may not be perfect, you are enough as you are. Acceptance extends beyond the self to others. It involves acknowledging and respecting the diversity of experiences, views, and paths that people take. This doesn't imply agreement with all perspectives or condoning harmful behaviors, but rather an understanding that each person is on their own unique journey. When you accept others, you foster tolerance, empathy, and kindness in your relationships. This acceptance can break down barriers of judgment and misunderstanding, building stronger, more authentic connections. Personal growth. This is a central element of spiritual well-being, reflecting a commitment to continual learning and evolution. It's about being on a journey of self-improvement, constantly seeking ways to better oneself. This pursuit of personal development is not driven by a sense of inadequacy, but rather by a genuine desire to reach one's fullest potential and live a life of meaning and purpose. Engaging in personal growth means embracing a mindset of lifelong learning. It's about being open to new experiences, ideas, and perspectives, and being willing to challenge and expand your existing beliefs and understandings. This growth mindset fosters adaptability, resilience, and a deep sense of fulfillment, as you're continuously evolving and discovering new aspects of yourself and the world. Harmony with nature. It is an essential aspect of spiritual well-being, denoting a deep connection to the natural world and the universe at large. This bond is not merely an appreciation for the beauty of nature, but a profound recognition of our intrinsic part in the web of life. When you feel a deep harmony with nature, you often find peace, solace, and inspiration in the natural world, perceiving it as a source of wisdom and a reflection of universal truths. This connection to nature transcends mere physical presence. It's an emotional and spiritual bond. It's about feeling the interdependence between ourselves and the natural world, and understanding that we are not separate entities, but integral parts of a larger ecosystem. In the rustling leaves, the flowing rivers, the vast mountains, and the expansive skies, one can find reflections of the self and the universe. Being in harmony with nature often leads to a sense of peace and grounding. Nature has a way of putting our lives into perspective, reminding us of the beauty and impermanence of existence. It teaches us the rhythms of life, the cycles of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth, and the interconnectedness of all beings. This understanding can be profoundly calming and inspiring, offering a sense of belonging and a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life. This connection also fosters a sense of responsibility and stewardship towards the environment. When you recognize the value and sacredness of nature, you're more inclined to protect and preserve it. This environmental consciousness is a natural extension of spiritual harmony with nature. It's about caring for the planet as you would care for your own home, recognizing that the well-being of the earth is inextricably linked to our own well-being. Sense of purpose. Your spiritual growth cannot happen without a sense of purpose. It provides a guiding light for your life's journey. This isn't just about having goals or ambitions. It's a deeper, more intrinsic sense of direction that gives your life meaning and context. When you have a sense of purpose, your choices and actions align with a core set of values and intentions, imbuing your life with a sense of coherence and significance. Having a sense of purpose often means that you see your life as part of a larger narrative or mission. It could be related to your career, but it often transcends professional aspirations, encompassing personal values, passions, and contributions to the greater good. This purpose can manifest in various ways, such as a commitment to family, a dedication to a cause, a pursuit of artistic or creative expression, or a spiritual or religious calling. These signs are not absolute or exhaustive, and spiritual well-being can manifest differently for each individual. The key is to stay true to your journey and recognize the beauty in your own unique path. If you are still watching, may God bless you abundantly. And if you have a minute, please share your thoughts in the comment section and also share with your loved ones. I wish you a wonderful day.